Hello everyone, thanks for tuning back into the channel. Anyways, I just want to say Happy New Year's, and hopefully everybody had a good New Year's Eve. Today is January 9th, 2026. It's a very beautiful day today. Super sunny, and the weather out here is really nice. So we're back out here at New Melones, trying to see our luck, see how it is over here, since the weather's been pretty gloomy and bad the last couple of weeks. I haven't had the chance to go out fishing, so today's one of those days that we're gonna come out here and try our luck. We'll see how that goes. I'm out here today with my two in-laws and my little girl right here. Jenny, you want to say hi?
Yeah, hi. Hi, subscribe.
She's really shy. But yeah, follow along and let's go do some fishing, you guys. Hopefully this year 2026 brings us some good fishing. So yeah, anyways, I'll catch you guys when we get to the water, and hopefully we get to catch some fish for you guys. See you guys soon. So we're gonna start off with the Kitech 1/8 ounce jig head. I got the Blue Current Yamaga Blinks, Blue Current 3 69B, paired with the Shimano Aldebaran BFS. I got 3 pounds P line on, so let's see if any fish is around here.
Daddy, why can't you put me there?
Hmm?
Why? Uncle can't do over there.
It's okay.
Uncle, just stay over here. Ow. Daddy, my back hurts. Dangerous, 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 dangerous. Oh, Uncle, what is Uncle Steve doing?
Oh, get more, Danny.
Let me just go. Daddy, who was parking right there? Was parking like who was parking? Daddy, can I do it?
You want to reel it?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, okay.
No.
Here. Should make it do it, okay? You have to hold it like this. Let go of your hand. You'll hold it here. Keep feeling. Not too fast. Not too fast, just like that, okay?
Okay.
Going. Got it?
Yeah.
There you go.
I did it. Oh, whoa. Daddy.
The waterfall's going a lot stronger than the last time we were here now. The last time I was here, I was fishing under those rocks right there. Yeah?
Wow, why is that yellow? I don't want to get far.
Don't go too close, okay?
Alright, I want to get close. water's so young.
Yep.
Daddy, I want to go in the water. Daddy, I want to go in the water. Dad, I don't want to stay in the water.
Don't get too close.
I don't want to get close to the water. I'm just gonna stay right here. And not get a fall. Just a waterfall, just going. Dad?
Hmm?
I see them right there. Mommy and Soraya's over there.
No, it's not. Mommy and Soraya's not here.
Yeah, but why are them still home?
Yeah, they're at home. Don't touch that, okay?
Hi, friend, how's your video? Welcome for the video. Number. Hi, we come for the video. Hi. I know water steady. Let's get the water. Let's try.
Quiet.
Come for the video. Oh, here's the I like my dad's phone.
You like my phone?
Yeah. I like your phone. I like my daddy's phone. Daddy, let me wear that. Let me wear it.
Here.
Right there.
Reel it. Faster. Keep going. Oh, you got the grass. Keep going. Okay, that's it. Good, good, good. Okay.
Can I roll it? Can I roll it?
Okay. Make sure you not yet, okay? Okay, real slow, okay? Not too fast. You're going too fast.
You're not going fast.
Got it?
I got it.
Keep going.
Yay, Daddy.
You don't want to reel it?
Yeah, I do.
Uh-oh.
Wait.
No? Look, I got a fish.
Okay, let me watch this. I'm watching this. Get that. I got it. There. And you let me
You wanna try
roll
reel
it.
it? Here.
Yeah.
You have to hold it. Okay, go. Not too hard, okay?
Okay.
You have to keep the fishing pole up. Careful. Keep reeling. Reel.
I almost got a big one.
Yeah.
I got a big one.
Wait. Ooh. Okay, reel. Not too fast. A little only. Wait. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get real. Okay, wait. He's gonna jump. Uh-oh. Get real. Wait. Get real. Wait. Get real, hurry. Oh, wait. Okay, real.
Oh, I see the fishy.
Yeah.
Right
Okay,
there.
real.
Yay.
Okay, come on. Back over here.
Yay, I like fishy.
You got it? No, don't grab the line. No. Don't grab the fishing line.
Ooh, let me catch the fishy. Oh.
Little largemouth right there on the kite tack.
No. Again? So I gotta wash it again.
Come here, Jordan. Hurry, Jordan. Journey, come on, hurry. Okay, I'm gonna let it go. I'm not gonna wait for you. Hurry, come here. Here, you hold it. Hold it by the mouth. Alright, hold it. Okay, I'll take a picture of you, okay? I'll let it go. Come on, come let it go over here. Say bye, fishy.
Hi, fishy.
Here we go. Good job. Good job, Jern.
Took it in my pocket. I told you took it in my pocket. No.
You see trout surfacing to your left over there? To your left.
Yeah, let me put them in my pocket.
That guy right there told me that that boat caught 16 trouts.
Actually, there's more. Yeah. More right here.
Here, I got a fish. You want to reel it?
Yeah, wait.
No?
Wait. Let me try and put this in
Maybe.
my pocket. Try and put more in my pocket. That was a big one.
It's a little one.
That was a big one.
Your rock?
Yeah.
I don't know where you put it. There's a little guy.
There's more.
Right there.
That's more.
Little spotted bass.
There's more. Let me wash them. Dad, you got a fish?
Yeah.
No, Dad, I want to do it.
No, you don't. You don't even want to do it.
Watch out.
Camera battery died. It's pretty nice spotted.
Daddy, give me the fish. Let me hold it.
You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Let me hold it like this.
Okay, move.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
it came off. It's okay.
Now let me roll it. No, my rock. My rocks again. It's okay. Daddy, can I go home now? You're not going to water back. I'm just taking you to back. To home. But I'm not taking sister.
That's too much rocks.
Huh?
That's too much rocks.
No, I need it.
No, you don't.
I do need it from Soraya. Because he likes it. Because my Soraya always liked it. And why is that a bigger? I better like it.
Another one.
Huh? Now let me roll
Wanna roll
it.
it? Yeah.
Roll it. Let me
Careful,
roll it.
okay?
Roll it.
Okay, go, go. Whoa, 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 careful, careful. You have to hold it like this. This way. Okay, reel. Wait, wait. Okay, reel. You can't do it? Here, I'll do it. Now, you want me to do it?
No, I got it.
You sure? Okay, wait, not too hard. Okay, reel. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, reel. Wait, 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 wait. Okay, here. Let me get it for you. Here. Okay, okay, okay. Careful. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, wait, don't grab the line, no?
Ready? Get it, Daddy.
Yeah.
Get it, get it, get it. I get the line. Ooh.
Right there. Fatty right there. Guy tag. Okay, wait. I have to take off the hook first.
This
Okay, here.
first. And hold it.
Okay, wait. Here. Hold it. Okay, wait, okay? Hold it up. I'll take a picture. This way. Okay. Ready? Ready? Okay.
Yeah.
Let it go.
Let it go. Bye.
High five. So I ended up taking my daughter back to where my two in-laws are at. Because I guess she's tired of following me around, so. We'll see if I have enough time to make my way over to the other side of the hills over there. The sun is dropping down fast. jumping right there. Oh my gosh, I missed it. How did I miss that? It's biting it again. There you go. Came back for it. Nice rainbow right there. Right there. Super pretty, guys. Okay. I'm gonna let you go. Super pretty. There it goes. The single works, guys. Caught one on the drop out there. It's not done yet. Nice spotter right there. Big old fish jumped over there. Must have been carp. Right there, you guys. Nice little chunky one. Alright, you guys. So that will be it for this video right here. Overall, it wasn't such a bad day. I did caught 5 bass today and 1 trout. The bass is picking up right now, so come out here, come get them, you guys. They are pretty deep, so you gotta fish deep in order to catch them. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning back in with me right here. I hope to catch you guys on the next one. Anyways, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like the content. Alright, everyone? Anyways, take care, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. had a feeling that was gonna happen. Oh, what the hell? I got a fish. Thought it was a snag. That's funny. Felt like it was a snag. It's nice spotted. Right there. Check that one out. The Kitech. Nice one right there. Yep. Probably like 15, 16 inches.